How to change your password on your TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I will show you how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open your TikTok. After this, you should come directly to your profile right here. Open your profile and go to your as you can see here on this three line and click on settings and privacy. After this, you have to come to account and click on account information, and you will find here before that you will find here password, and here you can change it. They will send you a code and you will use it here. As you see, this is my code, and then you can change your password. That's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you on another video.